Good morning, dear students. Now it's your first period of computer science in continuation of chapter 3, that is more operations in writer. In this chapter we are going to discuss the next topic, that is bullets and numbering in detail. First of all, what is bullets and numbering? Bullets and numberings are used to emphasize list of things and make it easier to read and follow. They help in presenting the data in an organized manner. Bullets and numbering are present in format menu in formatting toolbar. As shown in this picture, we can make three types of list. First, bulleted list, second, numbered list, and third, outline, numbered or nested list. Bulleted list. Bulleted list contains a bullet that refers to the symbols that can be placed before the list items. It has no sequence or order. The default bullet is dot. To make a bulleted list, click on the bullets icon from the formatting toolbar. Place the cursor from where you want the list. Type each list item in the document by pressing enter. You can also insert the bullets by direct method. Select text you want as numbered bulleted list. Click on the bullets icon from the formatting toolbar. In this way, you can insert the bullets after making the list. Numbered list. A numbered list is the one which has list item in a proper sequence. The default numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4. To make a numbered list, click on numbering icon from formatting toolbar. Type each list items by pressing enter key. Or you can select the text which you want as a numbered list and then click on the numbering icon. To define a new bullets, we can follow the following steps. First, select the list. Second, click on bullet icon. Third, click bullets and numbering. Fourth, select the new symbols of your choice from the bullet library or define new bullet. To define a new numbering style, We can also follow the 4 steps. First, select the list. Second, click on numbering icon. Third, click bullets and numbering. And then fourth, select the new numbering style from numbering library. Now, nested list or outline numbering. A nested list refers to list within a list. It has multiple levels. It is mainly used when you require headings and subheadings to be numbered. To create nested list in Writer, you can make use of outline numbering option. To type the list item, then we can follow the following steps. First of all, select the type list, then click on bullet icon from the formatting toolbar. Then click bullets and numbering icon. Bullets and numbering icon dialog box open. Then select outline tab. After that, select the numbering style of your choice and then press OK. The steps are shown in this picture. I hope all the students understand all the topics I discussed above. All the students listen and watch the video carefully and try to understand about bullet and numbering option. You can also read from your book. Thank you and have a nice day.